Hello, I'm Chris Valdez with Central Hudson. I'm in Hyde Park, where Central Hudson and mutual aid crews are working together to restore power to thousands of customers. So you're working down in the Hyde Park area. Can you tell us a little bit about the conditions you've seen?
It's just terrible slippery road conditions. Lots of tree limbs on the ground from falling heavy snow. Um, Nice thing is there's not as much traffic out today, but it's always a concern. We got to go and stay safe. Conditions are really just slippery, and it doesn't stop snowing. So
In terms of working, especially up in a bucket truck, can you tell us a little about the difficulties, the challenges of working in these conditions, heavy wet snow, cold, wind?
we just got to be careful. The limbs over top of you, they can break off. They come down on you, so you got to be aware of your surroundings all the time. You just do everything you do. From road surfaces to working up in the air, and you got to know what's over top of you.
Crews are working around the clock to restore power until every customer is restored.